Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can change your username in eFootball. It's pretty simple. You want to click on extras at the top right of your screen, and from over here click on user information. Inside of here you want to click on user details. From here it's going to show you your detail. So my username is ef_d1b. If I want to change it, I need to click on the username which I currently have. And then first I need to remove the username I currently have. After I remove it, I need to type the new username. After I type in the new username, I need to click on OK and click on make changes. Once I click on make changes, it's going to load for some time. And after the loading is complete, it's going to show you changed username. Once it shows you changed username, your username will be changed in eFootball. It's that simple. And as a proof, as you guys can see in my screen, the username has been changed. So I hope you understand how we guys can change username in eFootball. If you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel how to guide for future videos just like this related with eFootball. Comment down below if you guys have any question. I'll see you guys in my next video.